What's the meaning of blackball? Blackball. Blackball.
Blackball. Blackball. The term blackball has a few different meanings, but generally refers to the act of rejecting or vetoing someone or something. It can be used in social or political contexts, such as a secret society blackballing a potential member or a committee blackballing a proposed idea. The origin of the term comes from the practice of using black balls to indicate a negative vote in voting systems. In some cases, blackballing can have serious consequences for the person or thing being rejected, such as being excluded from a group or losing an opportunity. Overall, the term suggests a sense of exclusion and disapproval.